Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Serena. Today I'll be showing you how to make your base cream from the scratch using organic based ingredients. I've got a lot of questions on my description box on people wanting to know the right cream they can switch to while using a bleaching cream. If you're going through the process of lightening up your skin and you're using industrial based chemical creams on your skin, you're looking for the best cream to switch to maintain your skin, well, I've got good news for you today. Today I'll be showing you how I whipped this wonderful recipe before you. This cream is a brightening cream. It's supposed to help to maintain the skin tone that you've achieved. This cream is not supposed to lighten you but brighten your skin. If you're caramel skin tone, if you're dark in complexion, you can use this cream as it is whipped up with organic ingredients. Let's go to the workstation and I'll show you how I put all this together. Stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome to my workstation. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make your base cream from the scratch. This base cream is organic base cream. It is safe to use on the skin. If you're going through bleaching process, if you go through the process of lightening up your skin by using industrial chemicals or industrial based cream loaded with harsh chemicals, it is advisable you should also switch in between those products and use your organic based cream to be able to build your skin and as well prevent yourself from having skin congestion and other skin issues. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make your organic based cream that is super safe on your skin. And this cream is not supposed to lighten you or give you any shade or 2 shades or 3 shades lighter. No, this will help to maintain any shade that you are presently. It can also be used by a dark skin color. If you're a dark skin person, this will also help to brighten up your skin and give you that polished look that you're looking for. But if you're aspiring to be lighter, this cream will not lighten you at all. It will not give you any shade. It will only maintain the skin tone that you have at present. It's super safe, and you can roll with this cream because you can use it as long as you wish because it does not contain any harsh chemicals. Quickly, let me introduce to you what we'll be using to whip up this recipe. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't find containers, so I had to use my old cups. Here I have my sepia white powder. I have 4 grams of sepia white powder in here. In here I have my alpha arbutin powder. I have 8 grams of alpha arbutin powder. And in here I have my snow white powder. I have 4 grams of snow white powder in there. And here I have my 120 ml of purified water. Also in this cup I have about 30 ml of tea tree water. I'll be using this to dissolve my powders, and sepia white to be going under a double boiler method, double boiler process, sorry to say that. And here I have my German Plus. This is my preservative. This is what I'll be using to preserve my cream. And for my fragrance I'll be using rose oil. So in this bowl here I have my oil, I have my stearic acid, and I have my emulsifier. Now for this cream I'm using almond oil. If you want to make your base cream to sell for people or you're not sure about the skin type, I would advise you go for an oil that is suitable for all skin type. Almond oil is suitable for all skin type, but when it comes to an oily skin, I don't really advise you to use almond oil because it takes time to absorb into the skin. So you should probably go for a sunflower oil, sunflower rose with all skin type. But for this recipe, in here I have my sweet almond oil because I'm making it for a super dry skin. This will be going through a double boiler process where I tend to dissolve all of this completely, and I'll come back to show you guys how to put all the recipes together. Stay tuned guys. Now this is what I call the boiler process, because I got a question from my one of my subscribers. What does it mean to go through a double boiler process? So this, you have your pot, and in it you have your water. You just place your oils and your stearic acid and wax in it, so to allow it melt completely. So while this is going on, I'll just go right and melt and dissolve my powders. So I'll be dissolving my powders. You want to dissolve your powders and make sure it dissolves completely, not to have any granules in them. I'm trying to dissolve the powders. You might want to invest in this little milk whisker. Most people use it for their cappuccino, to whisk the cream, the milk, instead of going through the stress of having to use your spoon to mix all this. You might just want to invest a little bit of cash together, so it makes your work very easy. So I'm going to keep mixing this. I'm going to set this aside and mix my Snow White powder. Here I'm trying to mix my Snow White powder. I think I need to get my gloves at this stage. I don't want to mess with my knuckles. I need to wear my gloves. Please, while you're doing this, you need to make sure your environment is clean, and try as much as possible to sterilize all the containers you'll be needing for this recipe, so as not to get bacteria into your cream. It's important you stay in a very safe and clean environment. Otherwise, you get bacteria having to grow in your cream, and that will just ruin the recipe. So you want to mix all your powders and make sure there are no grains left in them. You don't want to make a scrub instead of a cream. Because when you have your granules still left in your powders and you incorporate them in your cream, it doesn't turn out well. You feel this sandy nature. You feel this sandy substance while you're trying to rub your cream. So try as much as possible to get your powders all melted in. That way it's safe. I need to get my gloves. So here is our melted sorry about that, oils, stearic acid, and the wax. It's completely melted, and now you're going to add your water into this mixture, and you want to whip. Sorry about that, I didn't fix this properly. So you want to continue to whisk or blend in until your cream forms. When you whisk your cream, you whisk it until it gets to trace, because you know, when you bring it up from the fire, the oils are so hot, and you put in your water and you mix, you whisk with your whisker. You keep whisking until, you know, your cream comes to, what's the right word to use now, to trace. I think that's the right word. Till it, you know, forms. And you need to check the temperature before you add your powders. You don't want to add your powders when the cream is still extremely hot. That will kill the effectiveness of the powders. So I'll allow the temperature to drop a little bit more, then we'll come to the stage 2 where I have to add my dissolved powders. I've dissolved my powders here. Here it's my Snow White powder. You can see there are no granules underneath. And here is my alpha arbutin powder. The Seppi White is on a double boiler because it has to go through the boiler process. So I'll allow the temperature to drop, and I'll bring us back. So at this stage, you want to add your melted powders. You can see how solid that's turned out to be. So here I'll be adding my alpha arbutin powder, and you want to mix it properly. I'll be adding my Seppi White powder. And you want to mix. It doesn't matter, you can decide to add any powders first, as long as they all go in. And now I add my alpha arbutin powder. If you want your cream to be more solid, you might want to increase your emulsifier. Here I'll be adding 4 ml of my preservative. Hope you know your preservative also helps to liquidate your cream. It's more like a milk. I want to mix this together to make sure I get everything incorporated. How creamy it is, the creamy consistency. I love my cream, you know, to be slightly light. I don't like thick base, so it depends on what you want. You might want to increase your emulsifier, but for me it is better when your cream is lighter, so it gets to penetrate every angle of your skin. recipe, it's can be used by any skin tone, either you're white, you're light in complexion, you're dark skin. It's a maintenance, like a brightening cream. It doesn't contain any harsh chemicals. I need to be stingy about this. This does not select any skin tone. Any skin tone could just use this recipe. So see how it turned out. More like a milk. So lovely, like a lotion. See the consistency. That's how it turned out, guys. If you've been watching my channel up to this moment and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button below, hit on the notification bell beside it to get notified each time I upload a new video. Hope you found this video interesting. If you did, kindly share my video, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on Saturday, where we tend to make something new. I love you guys. Keep that glow alive, and I'll see you next week Saturday. Bye bye, guys.